Home insurance roof replacements in 2023. So is your insurance company going to cover for a roof replacement? Let's talk about it. My name's Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. Name of the company is the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Here's information on how you can get a hold of me. So the challenge for a lot of states and a lot of people in different states, and particularly I'm going to raise this up to Florida, because obviously that's where I'm most familiar with, being a licensed public adjuster in Florida. In 2023, the laws have completely changed over the last 2 years. Politicians, so easy for insurance companies to get the laws changed. All they have to do is pay off politicians. So easy. So the challenges are headed due to these new laws. There's going to be various deductibles that you have to choose from, whether to get involved with arbitration if you have a claim. By the way, no, reject that. Arbitration is a nightmare, all right? There's no more 25% building code unless it's a hurricane. So if there's a windstorm, a tropical storm, the 25% is no longer applying, which is disastrous. And then on top of that, you have all this depreciation that you have to deal with that the insurance companies love to use against you. So the legal landscape is such, it is extremely difficult to navigate. Let me repeat that one more time. In 2023, especially the people in Florida, it is extremely difficult to navigate. So roof replacements will be more difficult. Let's look at a couple things. Attorney fees, if an attorney needs to get involved, if your claim hasn't been fully paid, if your claim has been denied. The way we did it before in Florida, which is for years and years and years and years, where the insurance company has to pay your fees, that's gone. So now the money that the attorneys are going to get come from your settlement. 33 and a third percent or 40%. So $10,000, you're looking at attorneys getting up to $4,000. Now you're left with $6,000. Then your deductible. Get help from the start. Get help from the start. If you like this video, want to see other videos, give me a like, a thumbs up, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel. So, the last slide, get help from the start. Let's continue on that theme. Why? Contact a public adjuster right from the start. You can no longer contact an attorney right from the start. It's cost prohibitive. You have no other option. If you looked at any of my videos from a year or two ago, look at any of them involving talking about getting a new roof, what you can do. I never said before right from the start. Sure, it's sometimes better, but I never stated that you absolutely need to from the start. Now you absolutely need to from the start. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I'll get into that in another slide. You need to get in contact with the roofing contractor at the same time. So the PA, the public adjuster, roofing contractor, should talk about the claim and a plan together to help you, the homeowner. So the PA, the public adjuster, you want them to file the claim on your behalf. Again, start from the beginning. They need to be involved from day one. You want to ensure then the accuracy of the claim being reported and that nothing is said wrongfully. Okay, the age of the roof type, concrete or shingle, that's going to come into play here. 60 days the insurance companies have to adjust the claim. And then what you're going to want to do is have a request for mediation or the appraisal through the public adjuster. Okay? These are all things now that you have to take into play into 2023 and moving forward until the laws change here in Florida. Other states is a little bit different. Other states, there's some positive and beneficial laws, and then also you have some laws against you. Okay, so back to the teamwork. Public adjuster and the roofer need to work together. Sometimes maybe it'd be a good idea for the public adjuster to put together an affidavit for the roofer. Sometimes you can have the roofing contractor write on his estimate, homeowner, Mr. Smith needs a new roof and the roof replaced due to damage from wind, tropical storm, from hurricane, whatever the case might be, or hail. And also an important part, it's going to be underutilized unless you hire the right person. Got to talk about the tiles not being able to be matched. Again, if the tiles can't match, it's going to be an important part of these new laws that we can utilize to your advantage, the homeowner. As I was saying earlier, insurance companies have it so easy to pass these laws. You find a couple politicians, give them some money, help them in their campaign, throw a few $1 million, voila, you have change of laws. So now you have to fight insurance companies in a different way. You can no longer handle a claim yourself if you're in Florida and a lot of other places in 2023 and beyond. The risk of the denial or getting your claim underpaid is too great. Underpaid claim leaves little options for you. I don't want to go into too much on this, but I'll make a quick point. Let's say your claim is worth $30,000 and they pay you $8,000, but you're $20,000 plus short. So there's going to be cost benefits as to whether or not a public adjuster will even represent you. Because a lot of them are going to have to turn this stuff down because it's just not going to be worthwhile. An attorney won't take it. An attorney is not, we have these think tanks, and attorneys have already said, unless a claim is $50,000 or more, they're not going to get involved. So that's why I'm telling the people, I'm just trying to guide you, lead the horse to water. An underpaid claim may result in nobody helping you and you having to take the pennies that the insurance company pays you. So I'm wrapping this up. A man who is his own lawyer has a fool for a client. Everything now is against you. The laws, the politicians, and the insurance companies. So I love a man who's his own attorney has a fool for a client. And that is so true. So especially now more than ever in Florida. So 2023 moving forward. It's going to be difficult. It's almost impossible. You can't even, there's going to be people that try it and there's going to be people that fail. Try and represent yourselves. Listen, the whole system's against you. So you've got the insurance companies against you, the laws against you, the politicians against you, the adjusters against you. I mean, nothing is for you at this point. All my videos that I had before, I try to give pointers and tips on what to say, what not to say, and what to do, what not to do. I almost feel all that's out the window. Like all the work I've created has been gone. Simply because politicians have fallen to the devil of insurance companies and taken money. DeSantis taking millions and millions for his presidential campaign run from insurance companies. The CFO, Jimmy Petronas, so one of my other videos I pointed out, took $2 million or more from insurance companies. The person who's supposed to be overlooking insurance companies is taking millions from insurance companies. You can't make that up. I mean, that's stuff that goes on in communist countries, third world countries. But I guess that's probably always what happened here in the U.S. So this isn't a scare tactic. This is real life. This is factual. The laws have changed. Look at any of my other videos. I talk about it recently. Laws have changed. It's just not a good time for anybody to try and handle it yourself. I would recommend, I don't care who you use, recommend strongly, I recommend strongly that you get somebody from the start. The days where you handle it is going to do nothing but cost you money. It's going to do nothing but cost you money in the short and long run. So if you want to take that chance, this video is supposed to be simply nothing but a wake-up call. So I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Mike Keeler, a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. If you have a question, need help with a claim, here's how you can get a hold of me. Thank you.